Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Airbnb something went wrong error step by step. First, check your internet connection and then make sure that it is stable. A weak or unstable network is one of the most common reasons for this error. Then try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the Airbnb app, swipe it away, closing it completely. Wait for a few while and reopen it. Temporary glitches can often trigger this error message. Then restart your phone to refresh the system and clear any background issues affecting the app. Next, make sure that the app is updated. Head over to your app store, search for Airbnb, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version from the app store. Updates usually fix bugs and improve performance. Now, if you're using Airbnb in a browser, clear your cache and cookies, then reload the page. If the issue continues, wait a few minutes and try again later, as it may be due to temporary server problems. That's how you fix the Airbnb something went wrong error. Do not forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.